Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for November 19th, 2019. All over YouTube, people are going crazy. They're wondering, my channel going to get shut down? Am I going to get sued by the government? It's scary. People with marginal content, are really freaking. Am I going to become unprofitable and deleted? Don't know. All I can do is do what I'm going to do. Hope there's someone left on YouTube to watch. Later.